NEXO wandered into 2022 with associations and enhancements. The NEXO Crypto Association in the UK association was accounted for on 5 January 2022 to help NEXO with supporting lift its advanced cash regard through instant crypto credit lines. The company's vision is to lift advanced monetary standards worth and utility through its instant crypto credit lines, Earn Suite, Exchange, and different explicit organizations. The present NEXO cost is $0.561597 United States dollars with a 24-hour trading volume of $8,333,675. NEXO is down 5.44% at this point. The continuous CoinMarketCap market cap situating is number 91, with a live market cap of $314,494,305. It has a flowing stockpile of 560,011 NEXO coins and the most extreme supply of 1 billion NEXO coins. With the continuous negative market, making a step towards the useful worth of this innovation would be perfect. The main goal, according to Satoshi's vision, is to make a climate around a historic development that will change all adventures that touch colossal data universally. Hence, we ought to see how NEXO thinks about this ideal standard and the ability of the NEXO token. What's NEXO? The NEXO stage generally uses the NEXO token work over the NEXO-based blockchain structure, offering second crypto-maintained progresses. It started working back in April 2018. It had the arrangement to propel a phase wherein acquiring crypto credits are a straightforward endeavor. The stage offers propels without charge card checks and is open over direct government-provided cash. At the point when clients have put away their crypto tokens over the stage into their NEXO wallets, they will instantly acknowledge their credit. NEXO hopes to offer organizations that ensure liquidity security by making it more capable and safe. The stage does as such through a client's electronic assets, making it fundamentally more careful and useful. NEXO Oracle is a basic improvement to update WISE arrangements over the Ethereum stage. These help with taking care of all of the crucial data associated with the credits made by a particular client. The NEXO token is an ERC20 token and is obligated for managing the interest-covered security of the NEXO wallet. Underpinning of the NEXO project. Credisima, a fintech pack, fiscally backs up the NEXO project. Credisima's beast client base of millions comes from the company's tremendous experience and capacity. A NEXO-specific assessment would show the different second credits to customers on the web. Moreover, web business supporting and portion helps the whole fall under their space. The parent association plans to standard abilities for all mechanized assets in the crypto market. The sponsorship of a solid and present-day development considering crypto, for instance, the NEXO project, is a useful endeavor for Credisimo, a principal European fintech group laid out in 2007 with viable business. Progresses have started going out to the earliest NEXO partners. Crypto-based projects are commonly under all managerial bodies' serious examination and to be sure, even broad society seems to vary of the dark. With the presentation of NEXO, and with the help of NEXO cost conjectures, it is believed that the situation will change. Different regulatory bodies, for instance, a couple of European banks and financial assist experts with controlling NEXO, and keep a close eye be careful with the NEXO exchange. The crypto market will unquestionably benefit from the consistent coin credits introduced by NEXO. Putting your money into NEXO might be a shrewd endeavor for what the future holds. NEXO technical analysis. NEXO cost examination for July 1, 2022, reveals the market following mostly bad turn of events, getting some positive headway, suggesting an increment of energy for the NEXO market. The expense of NEXO has remained negative all through late hours. On June 30, 2022, the expense crashed and went from $0.611 to $0.547. In any case, the market started to augment in regard in a little while and recovered most of its worth. Moreover, NEXO has beaten and reached $0.608, basically keeping away from the $0.620 mark. NEXO cost examination uncovers the market's precariousness following a decreasing turn of events, and that infers that the expense of NEXO is ending up being less disposed to experience variable change on either limit. The Bollinger's band's uttermost end is $0.855, filling in as NEXO's most grounded hindrance. Then again, the lower uttermost compasses of Bollinger's band is at $0.519, which is the main assistance for NEXO. The NEXO United States dollar esteem appears, apparently, to be moving under the expense of the moving average, suggesting a negative turn of events. The market's example seems to have shown negative components over the latest 2 or 3 days. In this way, the market has chosen a negative system. Regardless, yesterday the example basically moved, the expense started moving vertical, and the market started closing its flimsiness. This change could have expected an imperative part in the improvement of NEXO. Regardless, the bears have sorted out some way to stay aware of their example. NEXO cost examination shows the relative strength index, RSI, to be 29, suggesting a generally degraded computerized money. This suggests that the computerized cash falls in the misjudged region. Besides, the RSI way seems to have moved to an immediate turn of events. The reliable RSI score similarly suggests practically identical exchanging works out. NEXO cost assessment uncovers the cryptographic cache seeks after a dropping heading with much space for activity on as far as possible. Likewise, the market's continuous condition has every one of the reserves of being following a negative technique, as it shows the likelihood to move to either bullish cutoff. NEXO price prediction 2022. NEXO's assessing is supposed to tumble to $1.58 in any event 2022. With a commonplace trading cost of $1.64, the NEXO cost could have a biggest worth of $1.78. NEXO price prediction 2023. In 2023, the expense of NEXO should drop to somewhere around $2.21. With an ordinary figure cost of $2.27 during 2023, the NEXO cost can go as high as $2.79. NEXO price prediction 2024. NEXO's assessing is supposed to tumble to a base worth of $3.16 in 2024. With a common selling cost of $3.27, the NEXO cost could go as high as $3.81. NEXO price prediction 2025. In 2025, the cost of one NEXO is expected to be somewhere near $4.62. With a normal expense of $4.75 over the range of 2025, the NEXO cost can go as high as $5.47. NEXO price prediction 2026. The most negligible expense for NEXO is supposed to be $6.87 in 2026. Our investigation exhibits that the NEXO cost could climb as high as $8.05, with a normal assumption cost of $7.11. NEXO price prediction